Have you ever wondered what Thai people really say every day? Here is my 30 Thai phrases that I use all the time as a native speaker. What are you doing? ทำอะไรอยู่ 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 I use this all the time to ask my friend like, hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Just to open the conversation before I invite them to do something, to go out, to hang out. Okay. Okay. เออ รู้แล้ว This one, I use to agree with something or just to flow the conversation. เออ รู้แล้ว I don't know. ไม่รู้ 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 Have you eaten yet? กินข้าวยัง กิน ข้าว ยัง กิน ข้าว ยัง กินข้าวยัง Why do Thai people always ask, have you eaten yet? Because in our culture, if you have eaten, you're fine. If you can eat, you're fine. We don't really ask, how are you? So, have you eaten yet? What should we eat? กินอะไรดี กินอะไรดี Again, with the food culture, we always think about food. So, กินอะไรดี What time is it? กี่โมงแล้ว 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 I find myself a little bit funny because now we all have phones, we all have the watches, we all have the computer, the laptop to see the time all the time. Yeah. But I always find myself to ask people, what time is it now? กี่โมงแล้ว Yeah. Where will you go today? วันนี้จะไปไหน วันนี้จะไปไหน Where will you go today? What will you do today? วันนี้จะทำอะไร 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 And this one, I always tell myself in the morning, I'm so sleepy, I want to sleep more. ง่วงมาก อยากนอนต่อ ง่วงมาก อยากนอนต่อง่วงมาก อยากนอนต่อ Just like today. How much? กี่บาท 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 I always ask about the price when I go out, like, oh, กี่บาท oh, กี่บาท before you buy it. This one, if you come to Thailand, you are going to complain about this just like me. I keep saying this every day. It's hot. ร้อนอะ 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 It's a tropical city. It's a tropical country. That's why. ร้อนอะ I'm annoyed. I am annoyed. หงุดหงิด 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 This is not the positive word, but I keep saying when I get annoyed with something, like with the heat, with the traffic, with friend being late. It's like,หงุดหงิด Yeah. Of course. Sure. แน่นอน 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 Do you wanna go ไปปะไปปะไปปะ I use this all the time when I like want to go to somewhere and I kind of like invite my friends or my brothers or my family. I was like, ไปปะ What the F or what the heck? This one I kind of use a lot too. So อะไรวะอะไรวะอะไร is what. What is the ending particle, which is a little bit aggressive. So อะไรวะ Yeah. If I don't understand something, it's like อะไรวะ This one I use more than 10 times a day, I think. Yeah. That's it. Or done. จบ จบ Short and easy. I use this to cut the conversation if I don't want to talk anymore with people. I don't want to argue with people anymore. I was like จบจบจบจบอ่ะจบ Take your time. Don't rush. ไม่ต้องรีบ รอได้ ไม่ต้องรีบ รอได้ so ไม่ต้องรีบ รอได้ This phrase is not really my style because I don't really like to wait for people. But I find myself being really like polite to people. It's like, it's okay. ไม่ต้องรีบ รอได้ But inside was like, come on. About or around for the estimate. ประมาณ 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 This word is really funny because I find a lot of Thai people use this ประมาณ for any number that we are going to answer. For example, how old are you? Some people just say ประมาณ 25, 26. Well, you know how much is it exactly, but you say around 25, 26. So if you want to sound like Thai people, use this one. ประมาณ For example, how many days you gonna go to Thailand? You know exactly it's 5 days, but you will say ประมาณ 4 or 5 days. I mean, yeah. On my way. กำลังไป กำลังไป I'm on my way. Have you left yet? ออกหรือยัง ออกหรือยัง It come from ออกจากบ้านหรือยัง Have you left your home yet? When we were supposed to meet someone, it was like, have you left yet? ออกหรือยัง I don't know either. ไม่รู้เหมือนกัน ไม่รู้เหมือนกัน like I don't know either. What's up? Is it good? ว่าไง อันนี้ดีปะ ว่าไง อันนี้ดีปะ I use this to ask for the opinion from my friends or whoever. Like, for example, I want to buy this shirt. I just pointed and said, ว่าไง อันนี้ดีปะ Whatever is fine. อะไรก็ได้ 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 This word should be illegal because it's the word that people will answer when we ask for the opinion. I find myself use that too. So, อะไรก็ได้ What do you want to eat? อะไรก็ได้ see you later เดี๋ยวเจอกันเดี๋ยวเจอกันเดี๋ยวเจอกัน actually จริงๆแล้วจริงๆแล้ว well จริงๆแล้ว I love Thailand normally ปกติแล้วปกติแล้วปกติแล้ว I wake up at 7 o'clock What did you just say What ฮะฮะ Short easy ฮะ Never mind let it go ช่างมันช่างมันช่างมัน like oh, whatever ช่างมัน like let it go I'm lazy ขี้เกียจอะขี้เกียจอะขี้เกียจ is lazy is the ending particle that sounds more soft so ขี้เกียจอะ likeขี้เกียจอะ but I am never ขี้เกียจ to make a video for you guys so and the last one so what are we gonna do สรุปเอาไงอะสรุปเอาไงอะ I always use this when we are talking in the group chat like hey we should go to this place we should go to this place we should go to this place and at the end we cannot find the solution of like the conclusion of what are we going to do so สรุปเอาไงอะ like so at the end what are we going to do and these are or the 30 Thai phrases that I use all the time as a native speaker I hope you enjoy see you next video Speak Thai with fun and don't stress if you get it wrong